Ladies and gentlemen, please study the safety instructions card which is placed in the seat pocket in front of you and pay attention to the cabin crew as we demonstrate safety on board. This Boeing 767 aeroplane has 8 exits in the cabin. There are 4 in the forward cabin, 2 in the overweight area, and 2 in the aft part of the cabin. In an emergency, floor path lights indicate the way to these exits. Please observe that the nearest exit could be behind you. The seatbelt is fastened, adjusted, and open as shown. Always keep it fastened when seated. If cabin air pressure changes, oxygen masks will be released from compartments above your seat. To start the flow of oxygen, pull down the mask nearest to you. Place it over your mouth and nose and breathe normally. If traveling with a child, place the mask on yourself first before assisting the child with another mask. The life vest is under your seat or armrest. Put the vest over your head. Fasten the belt in front or pull to adjust. Inflate the vest by pulling the tabs down or by blowing into the tubes. The vest must not be inflated in the cabin. Please be careful when opening overhead